Warm welcome to the one and only Janela Salvador!
Wow naman yung pa-intro. Di ba ganon?
Diba? 3 months nilang pinaghirapan yan, Janela.
Thank you naman, thank you.
No, but I was watching you while you were watching yourself grow on screen and you said, Nene, pero alam mo, I beg to disagree, you look the same. As in, you can still play Sir Chief's daughter.
Pwede pa ba ako maging 17 years old?
Pwede ba? Oo.
Wow, thank you.
Pero what were you thinking about while you were watching basically your whole career growing up?
Grabe. I think nakasmile lang ako the whole time when I was watching it. Kasi bihira lang ako bihira lang ako makapag-reminisce ng ganito about the things that I've accomplished. And it's, no, for real though, hindi ako nagjo-joke, thank you, sobrang na-appreciate ko yung video. Nakakatuwa, na happy ako sa mga napanood ko. Hindi ko, parang ano ba? Somehow I felt proud naman sa lahat ng nagawa ko, sa lahat ng na-accomplish ko. Ayun, hindi ko siya palaging nababalikan.
And kami rin actually, minsan nakakalimutan na rin natin, di ba? Yung mga pinapanood natin on screen, na, oo nga pala, doon nga pala siya nagsimula. Yun nga pala yung roles niya before. So now that we're seeing that, ikaw din napanood mo, how would you describe your growth as an actress so far, being in the industry for more than a decade?
Grabe naman. Grabe naman. Alam mo, pag tinatanong ako nito, hindi ko alam anong isasagot ko kasi sobrang ine-enjoy ko lang yung ride. Ine-enjoy ko lahat ng dumarating sa akin, lahat ng projects na tinatanggap ko. I really just pour myself into every character, every challenge that comes my way. Kaya kapag nagkakaroon ng opportunity na balikan ganito, minsan hindi ko naman sasabihin ko kasi hindi nagsasink in sa akin na ganun na pala karami yung nagawa ko. And siguro mas natutuwa ako pag nakakabasa ako na I've impacted people's lives sa mga nagawa ko. Pag may napapasaya ako or na-inspire sa mga nagawa ko, mas doon ako na-touch.
Doon nagsisink in.
Doon nagsisink in sa akin, yeah. Kasi in-enjoy ko lang talaga. I'm always just grateful for everything that comes my way. I give my 100% palagi.
At kita nga natin na dun sa roles na tinatanggap mo, hindi lang siya parang one-sided or isa lang yung theme lagi. Talagang iba-iba. Nakita ka namin from Akikay hanggang sa Valentina, and you can still see a little bit of your Valentina stripes. A little bit of your Valentina highlights. So up to now, parang nakita ka talaga namin mag-grow from your teenage years up to now na ikaw ay isang mommy na rin. So grabe talaga yung growth na pinakita mo sa amin, Janela. And now let's talk about your latest project, ang Open Endings. Yes, so can you tell us a little bit about this dun sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam tungkol saan ba yung Open Endings?
Yes, Open Endings is, gusto ko lang ikwento din yung story. Sobrang alam ko, paulit-ulit ko na ito sinasabi, pero dream come true for me yung project na to. Palagi ko yan sinasabi. Kasi ang tagal ko na rin talagang naging vocal about it. Gusto ko magkaroon ng role na ganito, gusto ko magkaroon ng queer project. Tapos part pa siya ng Cinemalaya. Andun kasi ako sa point ng career ko na I really want to grow as an actress. I want to do more films. Because I feel like medyo nakarami naman ako through the years sa TV. So parang I wanted to do more films. I told Tita Gidget, my handler. So nung dumating yung project nito, sobrang happy ako. And so, ito na. So this project is meron akong intro. So this project it's a queer film. It's a sapphic film. It's about 4 exes turned friends. Baliktad. Medyo interesting siya kasi hindi nga siya yung usual na story na nakita mo. Hindi siya coming out story, hindi siya rom-com, hindi siya ganun eh. Ano siya? It really highlights the point of view of women, yung friendship friendship din eh. Friendship din talaga siya. The friendship of in between four women. So, ayun. Yun siya. And of course, in between, meron din mga kalat. Gano'n. Yung kalat ng community. Ayun. Fun. It's gonna be an experience to watch talaga.
And who are you working with dito sa project na to?
Yes, I'm working with Jasmine Curtis Smith, Clea Pineda, and Lian Mamonong. And it's directed by Direct Nigel Santos and Kiwi Vicente. So, yeah.
So, exciting yan. At malapit na natin mapanood. Pero bago natin i-promote kung kailan, yes, I'm sure maraming mga katanungan ng ating friends from the media. So ito na, we will open the floor for their questions. Okay, so our first question will be coming from Jason Laluna of Certified Kapamilya. Babasahin ko yung question niya.
Okay.
What do you most look forward to sa iyong teleserye comeback? So what lies beneath? O, dun muna tayo sa what lies beneath.
Okay.
Congratulations, by the way.
Thank you. So, what am I looking forward to? Actually, nakakatawa kasi 4 din kami doon. So, puro 4 girls yung mga projects ko ngayon. But this time, what lies beneath kasi is more of a murder mystery. Parang thriller siya. So, excited ako dito sa project na to kasi first time ko magtatrabaho yung tatlong mga kasama ko dito. Si Charlie, si Sue. Actually, si Charlie naka-work ko na pero not like in a project like this. So like si Charlie, si Sue, tsaka si Kyla. All very, very great actresses. And it's really nice to work with people na, ayun, parang magagaling eh. So parang nagkakahawaan lang kami ng energy, nagbabatuhan lang kami ng energy sa set. Nakakatuwa, ang sarap nila katrabaho.
And hindi ba natin masasabi, no, kung kailan to showing? Parang wala pang announcement.
Wala pa, pero soon mag-a-announce na kami.
Hey!
Yes.
Okay, abangan natin yan. Ito naman question from Mikey Viñas. Babalik na tayo sa open endings.
Okay.
What made you say yes to this project? Since this is supposed to be your first ever independent film project and with Cinemalaya.
What made me say yes? Actually, the question is, what would make me say no to this project? Because, like I said, dream come true siya for me. And the moment na I read the script, na-feel ko agad na yung mga gumawa ng project na to, they know what they're doing and they know exactly what they want for this project. And nakakatuwa because it all worked out. Parang yung casting namin apat, sobrang nagkasundo kami. There's magic when the 4 of us are together talaga. And kung panoorin niyo yung film namin, makikita niyo yun. Iba pag magkakasama kaming apat. So, nakakatuwa na it all worked out.
Ang dati ko pa nga narinig na dream mo to, pero una ko siyang narinig, I think, nung Darna days. Kasi parang gusto kayo pagtambalin naman ni Jane. Oo.
Yes.
So, kailan ba talaga nag-start yung dream na to? Before Darna pa ba? Or was Darna like the catalyst?
Siguro nung Darna ko lang natutunan maging mas vocal about it. It's always been very personal to me. It's always been something that I've wanted to like get into. Kasi yung sa music video ko, when they would interview about it, yung release ko yung Hey You, sabi ko nga, parang galing kasi ako all-girls school. So, parang personal din sa akin yun, na parang I want to be able to be a part of those who can represent that side of the community. So, ang galing na dumating siya sa akin ngayon.
So, matagal na pala. Even
Yes.
before Darna pa.
Mm-hmm.
And now, this next question is still from Mikey Viñas. Okay. Sabi niya, after doing this film, are you considering doing other indie projects again? At if yes, anong theme o genre naman?
Definitely, first of all, definitely, yes. I want to do more films, more indie films. Usually kasi when I would accept a project, tinitignan ko kung what makes it different from all the others that I've done before. And kung meron siyang substance, mapapaisip, like, ano yung magiging impact ng film or ng character na to. So tinitignan ko talaga, binabasa ko yung script, gano'n. So wala naman akong specific genre as of now na naiisip. Pero lahat ng tinatanggap ko ngayon, gusto ko magkaroon ng impact. And gusto ko pag binabasa ko siya, mapapaisip talaga ako or may effect siya. May effect siya sa akin. Kasi mayroong mga kwento na they've been told before, parang ganon. I wanna do things that I haven't done before. Parang, I wanna challenge myself. Like I said, I wanna grow. So,
Thank you for that answer. Ito naman, we are gonna have a question from one of our friends from the media na nandito ngayon, Miss Janice Navida of Bulgard.
Hi, Janela.
hello.
Congrats sa bago mong project.
Thank you.
Siyempre, yung first question ko, talking about impact dun sa character mo dito sa open endings. Ano ba yung naging impact sa'yo and learning sa'yo ng naging character mo? Ano ba exactly? Pakibigyan mo kami ng background. Ano ba yung role mo dun sa open endings?
Okay. Hirap mag-share lang. Hindi ako magsispoil ng sa film. Medyo mahirap siya i-explain, pero ako dito si Charlie. Siya yung sa barkada, siya yung medyo baby girl. Parang siya yung baby girl na kailangan mong medyo i-guide sa barkada. Kasi yung character naman ni Jasmine, si Hannah, siya yung parang motherly. So ako yung kabaliktaran nun, parang lagi akong nakikistay sa bahay niya, ganun-ganon. And si Charlie, siya yung medyo mabilis talaga ma-in love. Ready to move in 1 month. Yung ganon, mabilis mag-commit. Medyo mahirap siyang magpigal ng emotions niya. So, ayun si Charlie. Pero mahal na mahal niya yung friends niya. Mahal na mahal niya yung barkada niya. And siya yung nag-represent din siguro sa mga medyo financially struggling na nasa late 20s nila. So, ayun. Ayun siya.
So in real life, nakarelate ka ba dun sa role mo? As in, merong part of your character na very Janela?
Siguro dito nalabas ko yung medyo yung kulit ko sa character na to. Medyo maingay kasi si Charlie. So, nalabas ko yung kulit ko and ano pa ba? Siguro,
Yung madaling ma-in-love.
ayun, baka. Hindi, hopeless romantic naman. Yeah, hopeless romantic. Pagka ganun kasi ako, I am a romantic. So, doon ako nakarelate kay Charlie.
And yung movie, nung inumpisahan, kayo ba nila Jasmine, nila Clea, hindi mo sa kasama mo, sorry, I forgot really.
Lian, yeah.
Yan. O, kayo ba friends na, or meron parang acquaintance, or doon lang kayo nag-start talaga maging friends sa movie?
First time namin lahat magkatrabaho,
Okay.
as in first time lahat. So, kaya I said na ang galing na it all worked out for us kasi instant yung naging cliché siya pakinggan pero sobrang instant talaga yung naging ano namin. Parang sobrang iba yung energy pag magkasama kami. Masaya kami palagi. So, ayun, naging friends talaga kami. Even off-cam. We still hang out before loss.
So, kailan nag-start yung shooting? This year lang din?
Yes, no, we shot around May. The whole month of May.
So, since then, naging close na kayo. And paano na-start yung closeness? Ano yung naging bonding nyo during shootings? And paano nyo na break yung walls, di ba? Kasi usually pag first time, parang may mga hiyaan pa. Pero kayo parang super close na together.
Nagkaroon din naman kami ng stage na parang nahihiya pa kami. Pero, ano kasi, parang pinrepare din talaga kami ng production. Parang we went through a process talaga na ilang beses kami nagkasama before we actually filmed. So, nagkaroon nga kami ng Soji workshop, nagkaroon din kami ng actual workshops, like with the scenes, gano'n. Reading, auditions, nag-audition talaga kami lahat for this movie. So, ang dami namin pinagdaanan together. Kaya din siguro, nagkaroon kami ng opportunity na makilala yung isa't isa before film.
And even after filming, parang meron pa rin yung mga bonding moments, no? Na nakikita naman sa social media.
Yes.
So among the three na kasama mo sa movie, sino yung pinaka-close mo? At bakit?
Lahat naman sila, close ko. Bakit?
O paano mo i-describe yung closest mo kay Jasmine, kay Lian, and kay Thea?
Okay, yung dynamics kasi namin, Si Jasmine, pareho kami ng Aries. So, nagkasundo kami doon na parang, oh, same tayo, ganyan-ganyan. Halos same kami ng energy. Pero siya yung mas extroverted na Aries. Ako yung medyo introvert. Tapos kami naman ni Lian. Si Lian din, introvert siya. So, kami yung parang minsan, pag medyo tahimik kami, nag-reserve ng energy. Tapos, si Clea naman, ayun, nakikita niyo naman, naging close din kami. Nag-hangout din kami outside of filming. So, ayun kaming apat, yun yung dynamic sa amin. Pareho, parang nagkasundo din kami ng humor. As in, yung mga pinagtatawanan namin. Minsan, napapagalitan na kami nun sa set. Kasi tawa kami ng tawa. So, pinapa-quiet na kami.
Pareho kayo bumisni.
Yes!
So last na lang, since Janela, parang dahil nga dito sa film na to, nagkaroon ng issues between you and Clea. So paki-clarify lang kung is it part of the promo or may something na ba talaga? Or once and for all, ma-clarify, di ba? Baka part lang ng promo ng movie.
Okay. Actually, na-clarify ko naman na both sides naman nakapagsalita na about it. So, I think there's nothing much to say anymore. And honestly, at this point, I don't think we owe anyone naman an explanation about personal things. Kumbaga, so if you feel free to think what you think, feel free to interpret what you feel like interpreting, kung ano man yung nakikita nyo. Pero, alam niyo naman ako, lagi ako nagpapakatotoo. Real lang ako palagi. So, if I feel like sharing anything in the future, I promise you I will share. So, for now, kung ano yung nakikita niyo, what you see is what you get. Yun na for now.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much, Miss Janice of Bulgar. Thank you. Okay. By the way, si Lian po, ano siya, artist din siya. She's one half of Lian and Nara.
Yes, she's a great musician.
Yes, ano yun, awarded, nanalo sila ng Album of the Year sa
Yes.
Award.
Galing yun si Lian.
And Nara. Nagbabahan ba kayo over music?
Yes, first movie project nito, first acting project niya. Kaya, feeling ko minsan kinakabahan siya, pero na-encourage namin siya palagi. Ayun. And nagpabond, yun, yeah, off-cam, music, yun yung nag-uusapan namin.
Musician yourself
Yes.
also. Okay, thank you. Ito, comment, sabi nga namin, magbabasa po kami ng comment. So, mag-comment na po kayo. Ito po, sabi ni Lovelyn Fortuno, yay! Excited sa mga project mo, Jaya.
Thank you.
Close,
Ate
Jay.
Love. Okay, lalo ba yun si Ate Love?
Oh, there you go. Okay. Ito naman, still on open endings. This is from Neil Ramos of Tempo. What have you learned working on open endings?
What have I learned? Siguro because I've really focused on the iba-iba kasi yung naging topics sa open endings. Like, given na 4 girls kami, so ang daming na-open na iba-ibang topics per character. Iba-iba kami ng pinagdadaanan. But at the end of the day, siguro yung value din ng friendship, how important it is to have a solid group that will, yung sasaluhin ka, kahit ano man yung maging kalat mo, parang yun, yung value talaga ng friendship. Isa yun sa mga natutunan ko sa film. And what else? Siguro about ano din, parang self-discovery. Marami din ganun sa film. Hindi siya coming out film, pero makikita niyo, meron ding ganun. Parang ang dami kang madidiscover about yourself. Ay, okay, spoil. Yun muna.
Alright, thank you. Thank you for that non-spoiler answer.